this point, I've already removed the pre-filter screen. I'm just showing you that I've taken it out. I've also turned off the valves to the hot water heater. When I removed the pre-filter screen, it was a little dirty, but then, you know, the water drained out of the tank, and of course I've unplugged it. So now I'm just removing the 2 wires from the flow meter. It is held in by the 2 clips which I've shown in the video. It's got 2 O-rings, 1 on each end. Basically, there's a copper pipe that comes down from the top, and if you pry from the bottom of the flow meter, it'll pop off the bottom, then it'll come off the side one. You can't mix the wires up here. There's like a 4-prong and a 3-prong, and it's the top 2 receptacles on the board there. Basically, when I get the flow meter in place, I set it on the bottom pipe, and then the top pipe that runs down, you'll see me reach my hand around to the back side, and I'm basically just pressing it into the flow meter. Once it's in on the bottom and in on the side pipe, you can put the clips back on. Here's where I made a mistake. I wanted to test to make sure there were no leaks at the flow meter, so I wanted to turn the water on, but I forgot to put the pre-filter back in. I blew it out. It pops off. I blew it out, cleaned it, and then reinstalled it. So there's no leaks. The unit is booting back up. At this point, I'm going to go inside to the trailer and turn on the hot water. It doesn't really show up in the video, but it does light. You can hear it light and work. So it's all good from there.